Hi, this is Miko, and welcome back to the RTOS tutorial. In this video, I will talk about the ENV2 and RTOS Studio IDE. I think many RTOS developers have questions and confusions about why RTOS team developed two different software. What are differences between them? When should I use ENV and when should I use RT Studio? Do I need to install and use those two softwares simultaneously? Why RTOS decided to use SCREAM to organize source code rather than use, CMake or Makefile? Can I generate a CMake, Makefile, QMDK, or IR project? In this video, I will answer these questions one by one. So let's talk about the ENV and RT Studio first. ENV was born earlier than RT Studio. ENV is a terminal and a TUI software. It can let developers easily configure and generate a GCC or QMDK or IAR project. Meanwhile, it also has another auxiliary functions. However, ENV's UI is not beautiful. For me, personally, it's not simply not beautiful, it's ugly for me. It's not the 2020s UI design method. In a word, unfriendly. Thus, in 2019, the RTOS team decided to develop a new IDE called RTOS Studio IDE, or simply RT Studio. RT Studio based on graphical configuration system. Developers just need to click the mouse. It's much more convenient. What I need to emphasize is that ENV is a tool. It's an auxiliary tool. It can help developers do something such as configure and generate a project. But we need to use another software, for example, Q or IAR, to open this project. By contrast, RT Studio is an integrated development environment, also known as IDE. So RT Studio contains all functions that an IDE should have, which means you can program, debug, and download the program into a specific board by using RT Studio. Meanwhile, RT Studio also contains most of the functions that ENV has, such as configuring a project. RT Studio was developed based on the Eclipse IDE and GCC toolchain. So when should I use ENV and when should I use RT Studio? And do I need to install and use those two software simultaneously? The answer is, if you want to use QMDK, IR, CMake, Makefile projects, you need to use ENV to configure and generate them. If you want to use RT Studio IDE, you don't need to install ENV. The last question, why RTOS uses SCREAM to organize source code rather than use CMake or Makefile? The reason is SCREAM is Python. You can even import Python modules such as import OS. SCREAM can easily convert to CMake, Makefile, Q, IR project. But by contrast, CMake or Makefile cannot convert to Q or IR project. How to convert a CMake, Makefile, Q, or IR project by using ENV2? Please see the link below the YouTube video. We have recorded other videos to teach you how to install and use ENV2. Thank you for watching this video, and this is Miko. See you next time.